Good morning, children. So today we are going to start the new lesson, that is the lines and angles. So in that first one we are going to learn about the pair of angles. The name itself says that pair. Pair means two angles. So now this time now we are going to learn about the two angles. How the different types of two angles are there. Pair of angles are there. So here in that first one is called the complementary angles. Complementary angle. So complementary angle means 90 degree. If for example 20 degree is there, one of the angle is 20 degree, then the other angle, if it is 90 degree, the sum will be 90 degree. Okay. So then these two angles together, we say that these two pair of angle, we say that those are complementary angles. So here 20 degree is complement to 70 degree and 70 degree is complement to the 20 degree. So how we can show that in the picture? For example, if any one straight line is there, on that one more is there, here if it is like this. So here if it is 45 degree and here also 45 degree. Then add up to these two is how much? 90 degree. 90 degrees. Then we can say that 45, this angle is complement to this and this angle is complement to this angle. Okay. So let me take one more example like that. If I take like this, it is 30 degree and this will be 60 degree. Okay. So 30 degree is complement to the 60 degree and 60 degree is complement to 30 degree. Okay. So here we can say that like this, we will say that complementary angles mean the sum should be equal to 90. Now let us take the second one. That is called the supplementary angles. Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay. So complement means those who will give complements like that, you can remember. Supplementary means you will take the supplement papers for writing. So you can remember like that. That is means 180 degree. Okay. That word, how we can remember, that I told you. Okay. Supplementary angle means 180 degree. Okay. So here which two angles are called supplementary angles? When the two angles is add up to the, for example, 120 degree and then 60 degree. If I take these two angles, the sum of these two angles which is equal to how much? That is the 180 degree. So we say that 120 is the supplement, not the complement. 120 is the supplement of 60 degree and 60 degree is the supplement of the 120 degree. So like that, if you add any two angles, that sum, if it is equal to 180, then those two angles we say that supplementary angles. So let us take one example here. So one line is there here. Okay. So on that, if it one more line is standing on it, one more ray. Okay. So here if this is 60 degree and this one is 120 degree. So we say that these two, if you add, you will get 180 degree. So here 180 degree means we know that this is one of the linear pair. 180 degrees means how much? Linear. So linear pair. So these angles, supplementary angles, we also call it as a linear pair. Okay, we say that linear two angles are, we call it as a linear pair. Okay, so that is also we say that. And one more thing is there. Next one is called the, third one is called the adjacent angle. Okay, the next one is called the adjacent angle. So adjacent angle means what? Adjacent angle means what? When the two angles are have the common side. Okay, so let me take one hand, this one. I will take like this. Okay, we can take like any way. So here A, O, and then this one. Okay, I will take here is a B. Okay, and here I will take it as a C. Adjacent angle means which are adjacent angles? Here any angle, any two angles which is having the same one arm or the common arm and the common vertex, then the angle what it forms now, two angles, those are called the adjacent angles. Those angles are called adjacent angles. Means here what happened here, AO is one of the line and the OB is the one angle here. Okay, so for this what will happen, this arm is common for this angle and this angle. This is the common arm. Okay, so this arm and this one, this is the common vertex for both the angles. So this is another angle formed on the opposite side of this OB. Opposite side of the OB. So these two angles we call it as a adjacent angles. Okay, so when we call the adjacent angles means it should share the one arm and it should have the common point. Okay, so then we say that those two angles we say that adjacent angles. Okay, so here this one and if I write here 2, these 1 and the 2 angles means AOB, angle AOB, and then angle, this one is BOC. These two are the, we say that adjacent angles. These two are adjacent. Now let us come to the next one, that is called the fourth one, linear pair. Okay, so next one is linear pair. Here in the linear pair means what? Means when one line is there, one is straight line and then one another ray is standing on this and it makes an angle here, two angles. Here 1 and this one is 2. Okay, it is making an two angles. So if these two angles, on a one line it is standing. So these two angles, if you add also, which is equal to 1, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So and then we say that these two angles are called linear pair. Here you have to remember that this is the one of the straight line, on that one ray is standing. Okay, so the sum of these two angles, if it is equal to 180 degree, then we say that a linear pair. Okay, then those two angles are called linear pair. Next, the fifth one. Fifth one is called the vertically opposite angles. Okay, so next one is called the vertically opposite angles. Okay, here I will take two angles here. Means two straight lines. Okay, now here it lies like this. So here I will take two lines. This is the line L and this one is the M. Okay, these are the two lines here. They are intersecting at the point O here. And here it is making an angle here. 1, this is, I will call it as a 2 and this one as a 3 and this is angle as a 4. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 angles what it is forming. Okay, after the intersection. So here, now by seeing that only we can see that by here 1 and the 2, these two angles are called the linear pair. And 2 and 3 is also linear pair because this is on the same line. These are the two. And if you add these two also 180 degree. And if you add these two 1 and 2 also 180 degree. And 3, 4 also it is standing on the line M. So here also 3 plus 4 is also 180 degree. And here the 1 and 4, that is L line. So 1 and 4. If you add those two also, we say that the sum will be 180 degree, means linear pair. Then by seeing that, what we can say that here these, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. In the same way, angle 2 plus angle 3, which is also equal to 180 degree. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 1 is also 180 degree. Okay, so it means that we can say that this and this also equal. Means both are equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2, which is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay. So here 2, if I cancel, the angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So this angle is equal to angle 3. So these two angles are also equal. So these two angles only we call it as a vertically opposite angles. So these two angles only we call it as a vertically opposite angles. Okay. And here like that one more vertical angle is there. That is the 2 and the 4. Here these two also what we say that vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now here one more thing is there. Here when these are the 4 angles. Okay. Now by taking the this one card sheet, I will show you how some different types of angles. Okay. So here I am taking the, see children, here we can take like this. Okay. See here. Now this is one of the line. This is the one of the line. Okay. And this line is on this line, one more line is standing here. Okay. I will show you like this. Okay. So here it is the angle and this is the angle. If you see here, these two, if you add up to these two, you will get as a 180 degree. So these two angle we say that that is called supplementary angles. And if that only we can say that here also. See here, this is called the linear pair. Okay, now how we can say that vertically opposite angles are equal? Okay. See children, here there are the 4 papers. Okay. Okay, if you see here, we can say that here, this is the one of the straight line. On this, one more line is standing here. Okay, so here, this is the one angle and the another, this is the second angle. If you add these two angles, the sum is equal to 180 degree. Then these two angles, we say that supplementary angles, or we can say that these two are the linear pair because here one straight line is there. Okay, so now let us come to know about the vertically opposite angles. Okay, so here you can see that, so this is the one line that is called the, I can take it as a L and this one as a M. Okay, if I do like this, so you can come, okay, now, so see here, so here, this is the one line, I can call it as a M. And this one is another straight line, that is the L, and this one are both the lines are intersecting at the center here, O. Okay, so here it makes an angle as a, here 1, 2, 3 and the 4. These are the 4 angles it is making. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 angles. So here these 4 angles, how they are equal? So you know that these two are the supplementary angles. And these two are also supplementary, means 180 degree. Okay. So now these two is also supplementary only. Because here you can see the straight line. And here if you see this, one more line is standing on this. So the sum of 3 and the 2 is also 180 degree. Okay. So now how they are equal? Now I told you that vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means here 1 and the 3 is the vertically opposite. And 2 and the 4 is the vertically opposite angle. So let us check whether they are equal or not. Now what I am going to do? Now I am keeping this 4 angle on the 2 angle. Okay, like this. See here. So here this angle is exactly coinciding. Okay. So this is the angle 2 and the 4. And in the same way here if you can see here, this is 1 and the 3 also the same. Means both are also same angles. Means they are equal. Okay. So this is the angle 1 and the angle 3. So they are also equal. Okay. So like this, these all 4 angles means vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So now let us come to the one more. That is That is, one is complete angle. So here, if you see here, one center point is there. If I draw the ray from the center to the four different ways, then the angle in the center, what it forms, it is a 360 degree. So here this is 1, 4, 3, 2 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you add all the four angles, the sum will be 360 degree. Because you know that this is 180 and this is also 180. 180 plus 180 is 360. So like this, we can say that these four angles means in the center, it forms a one complete angle that is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Okay, now you come to know that which are called the complete angles. Complete angles means that is equal to angle, all the four angles sum will be equal to 360 degree. Now let us solve the few sums on the basis whatever you have learned. Okay. So here example, in the example also they are given here. So here there are two intersecting lines are there. Okay. So like that. So there are the two intersecting lines. So and here the angle is x, here is y and here is z. And here it is 130 degree. So now they told here to find the value of the x, y, z. Okay. So here when I add these two angles, that should be equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair. Okay. So that is 130 degree plus x is equal to 180. Then x, why it is? Because they are supplementary angles. We can write supplementary, otherwise linear pair also. Okay, both we can write. But we have to write the reason here. Always in the geometry we have to write. Okay, x is equal to 180 minus 130. So that is equal to 50 degree. So x is how much? 50 degree. Then if it is x is 50, then what about the y? So x is equal to angle x is equal to, sorry I forgot. So angle x is equal to angle y because vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. So x is how much? 50 degree. Then y is also 50 degree. So angle x is equal to angle y. So y vertically opposite angle. So y is equal to 50 degree. So this is the angle. Okay. Now let us come to the z. Z is also, angle z is also 130 degree because this is also vertically opposite angles. Okay. So this angle z is equal to how much? 130 degree. Correct? So this is how we can solve here. Otherwise we can use the linear pair also. From that also you will get the answer. Now let us take the one more example. Second one. So that is, find the unknown angles in the given figure. So here one picture is there, one diagram. So here it is vertical and here one more line that is equal to 2x minus 30 degree and this is called x and this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is what they are given here. So we have to find the value of the x here. Okay, so these two angles we have to find. We know that this and this angle, these two angles add up to 90 degrees. So x plus 2x minus 30 which is equal to 90 degree. Correct? Because these two should be equal to 90 only. Because this is a linear one line. So if this is 90 means this should be 90. If it is 90 means complementary. So x plus 2x minus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So next it is here 3x, this shift to here. So 90 minus 30 degree. So that is 60 degree. So 3x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 degree divided by 3. That is how much? 20 degree. So x is how much? 20 degree. Okay. So this is the value of the x. Means this is the one angle. Okay. Now, is it 2x? Yes. Okay. So that is the sorry children. Here it will move to here means it become plus. So 90 plus 30. How much it is? 120. Very good. So sorry, by mistake I have written the same sign here. After moving from one place to another, it will change to plus. So 120, so that 120 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So the answer is, so the x is how much? 40 degree. So now I will apply this 40 degree to this one. So that is 2x minus 30. So 2 into 40 minus 30. So that is 80 minus 30. So that is how much? 50 degree. So the another angle is how much, dear? This is 50 degree and this is the 40 degree. So the sum is 90 degree. Okay, so in the same way you have to solve the remaining exercise problem, that is in the 5.1. Okay, thank you children.